My name is Angelina Lorenzo.
Hi, my name is Shay.
Hello everyone, my name is Alberto Lainez.
I am the Post-Secondary Success Manager at the Urban Assembly.
I am the Medicaid paralegal at the Estate Planning and Elder Law Group in Queens.
I am the proud Alumni Engagement Coordinator and College and Career Advisor at the Urban Assembly School for Law and Justice.
And I'm a proud UA graduate.
And I am a proud UA graduate.
And I am a very proud graduate of the UA.
The UA gave me the opportunities that led me to a full college scholarship and the introduction to my career.
So the UA definitely gave me adaptability. That skill that I've developed while being in their school system and also working for them, it's just been so invaluable, especially in these last couple of years.
So the UA provided me with the opportunities and resources to go above and beyond and believe in myself and achieve anything that I could.
So please give to the UA today.
So please give to the UA today.
So please make sure that you give to the UA today.